Hello, welcome to this video. This is Sam from Crypsis Alliance. I run a Google Ads done for you service where I sell certain things that you need to get done in order to run successful Google Ads. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the 13-step plan to make $1 million. I know it sounds amazing. That's because it is. Specifically, I'm going to show you what I would do in 13 steps to make $1 million with a cleaning business. Now, I can do this because I have extensive knowledge about how Google Ads work, and that makes me a fierce opponent for any business that is competing with me, because most businesses in the cleaning industry are relying, like most service businesses, on services like HomeAdvisor, Thumbtack, and Angie's List. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something completely different. We're not even going to run Google local service ads. I'm going to run actual Google ads, lead gen Google ads. But anyways, in order for you to do that, you have to understand how Google ads work. And the first step in that is Google ads is like an artificial intelligence machine learning animal. That's the future where it's going to, especially with Google ads. And the way to achieve that is with data and conversion tracking. So I have, because this is my cleaning business website. Now, in order for Google ads to run smoothly and to allow Google to learn about where it can find your high paying customers, it has to know what's happening on your website. For example, I click on the ad and I come to, let's say, the window cleaning service page, right? That's where I land on. So people come here, Miami's best window cleaning stores, blah, 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 get a free quote here. So people say, okay, I want to get a free quote. Say, book now, book a professional house cleaning service for a clean and happy home today. I say, great, I want to do this. Problem is that this is a form, okay? It's just like a normal website. Most people, how they would track the conversion actions is with a thank you page, right? And I'm going to show you this in Google Tag Manager. Anyways, I came up how to track forms. So let's see how this works in action. This is my Google Tag Manager account for Miami-made stores. Let's preview. Go to the homepage. Okay, so right now with Google Tag Manager, I am inside of the website and I can see what's going on, which tags are being fired. I want to go to window cleaning. I want to get free quotes. So I would like a deep cleaning. My name is Tom Jenkins. tomjenkins@gmail.com. Phone number is 05. So I want to submit this now. Let's go what happened. So that was the CF7 submission. Sounds very technical, but I'm just showing you what I can do. So what did I fill in? Type of cleaning that I want, deep cleaning. The name that I filled in, Tom Jenkins. Email, tomjenkins@gmail.com. Value, boom. The message was MDKLFJ, blah, blah, blah. So the tag that was fired was a cleaning form, lead, in Google Ads. So it was conversion kept from Google Ads, succeeded. This means I successfully tracked that conversion on my website on the Google Ads dashboard. So if someone clicks on the ad, I am able to track that conversion. Now, why is this important? Because on this website from Miami-made stores, we filled everything in. So the person that came onto the website filled in the form and requested information. It is important that gets tracked by Google, because then Google knows, okay, this type of person tends to lead to a sign up or to request more information, or tends to be a lead. So it's going to look for more types of people that are exactly like that. So over time, if you feed Google enough data, it will start to learn and optimize towards that buyer persona. It will be able to go out onto the World Wide Web, and Google knows a lot more than we do. Google will be able to find the correct leads for your business. Now, let's imagine you mess up because you don't know how Google Ads works, or you don't know how Google Tag Manager works, and you count this conversion double, or worse, you count something as a conversion for the wrong type of action. Let's say I do Jenkins, forget to fill in my email, phone number, boom, boom, boom. It's a weird number. And I type this message and I say submit. And it says one or more fields have an error. Please check and try again. Now, if you make a mistake with Google Tag Manager and Google Tag Manager thinks this is a submission, a successful conversion event, well, then you give Google the wrong information. So this is just one step into the 13 plan to $1 million. So I'm going to quickly go over what I would do. So website, right? Website, offering positioning, competitor research, keyword research. I would create specific landing pages. I would integrate a customer relationship management tool, a CRM. So it's very easy for me to track any and all leads coming in. and follow-up for my sales team. Media plan is basically using the keyword research tool. I can predict how much it's going to cost me for how many conversions. I made a video about that, by the way. Google Tag Manager plus Google Analytics 4, because Google Tag Manager allows you to communicate with all different apps, track what's going on your website, and Google Analytics 4 basically is for reporting and visualizing data and what actually happens. Set up my Google Ads account, set up conversion tracking, set up the Google Ads campaigns. Now, the Google Ads campaigns, how that would look like is I would set up real quick. I would set up a brand campaign, a general campaign, competitor campaign, and remarketing campaign. I'm going to make a 90-day plan, goals, targets, things that I think are going to happen, optimizing, just lay it all out there. And the bonus is the omnipresence. So the omnipresence is basically where you're going to use Google Ads as a jumpstart and as a catch tool for any and all advertising. Because let's say someone comes onto your website and then you're going to hit all the visitors for remarketing campaign. And the way you can do that is actually with Performance Max, where you follow around people all over the internet, because people need not just one, sometimes maybe a lot more touch points before they actually convert. So if you can, like, imagine if you're a marketer, you set up a billboard with an ad on it, and then the person views the billboard and says, oh wow, that's amazing, right? But what if you could put that billboard not just on the billboard outside the street, but also when the person goes to the bathroom at their work and you see a poster, or in the newspaper, a new ad, or on the radio to hear the same ad. So this is like omnipresent. This is how you stay top of mind for your service in people's heads. And with Performance Max, it's the same thing. You can come on YouTube, Gmail, Google search, websites, all types of, you just follow them around everywhere on mobile. And that's how you stay top of mind. And you can do it very cheaply with the remarketing. And then also you're going to hit your prospects with email, Facebook, SMS, calling them. So you can actually, everybody you once touch, you're just going to keep remarketing them until they convert. Because, people may not need a cleaning service immediately, but, maybe a month, 2 months later, when they think, God, I have a really dirty house. Oh yeah, this guy has been following me around. Why don't I choose him? Because, he's constantly hammering on the benefits. He has a good offer, guarantee. It's not completely done the way I like it. I can just call him back for free until the house is cleaned. That's the way I like it. So that's 13 steps plus Google Tag Manager, how I would run a cleaning business with Google Ads.